Hello everyone, and welcome to the Week of Coding. For this week's special video, we'll be going over some books about coding from the Moreno Valley Public Library and some additional helpful online resources that will further your learning. For someone who's just getting introduced to coding or has an entry-level skill, we would recommend titles like How to Be a Coder by Kiki Protzman or Code Like a Girl by Miriam Peskowitz. These two books give great introductory ideas to help you understand the concept of coding. How to Be a Coder covers ideas such as tinkering and has a brief introduction to the programming language Scratch. Code Like a Girl covers concepts as tinkering and Raspberry Pi, and the programming languages Scratch and Python. Some websites that will be a great companion to our books would be Scratch and Code Studio. Scratch is a free programming language where you can create interactive stories, games, and animations. Code Studio is a non-profit website that has lessons that are geared for people in the entry-level programming to understand how to code with interactive animations and games. These websites give you the fundamentals to understand the concepts of programming and will help you down your learning path. The next step up would be someone who understands the basic fundamentals of coding. Titles that would best see fit from the Moreno Valley Public Library would be Get Coding by Young Rewired States and Get Coding 2 by David Whitney. These are a series of books that focus on the programming languages HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These titles will help you get a better grasp on those programming languages and help you build a website, an app, and multiple games. A website that would best fit this category would be Code Studio. Code Studio has various levels of lessons that would best see fit for this degree of coding. The lessons do focus on the programming languages JavaScript, CSS, HTML, and more. If you have a good grasp on programming languages, this is the tier for you. The title we recommend would be Beginner Step-by-Step Coding Course from DK Publishing. Though the title may say beginner, the ideas that they cover are great for intermediate skill level. They will also help you find the programming language that is right for you. They cover the programming languages JavaScript, Python, Scratch, and HTML. A great companion website for this book would be Solo Learn. This website is best geared towards people who are equipped with coding fundamentals. It's great for picking up a new programming language, learning framework, or giving yourself a bit of a challenge in your chosen language. Some languages that this site offers are Python, C++, Java, C#, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, SQL, C, Ruby, Swift 4, and much more. If the previous categories seem out of your fit, then this is the section just for you. At this point, you should know which programming language you best work with. So we recommend checking out a book based on your preferred programming language. At the Moreno Valley Public Library, we offer titles on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, C#, C++, Java, Swift, Ruby, and Python. For this level of understanding, we would recommend sites that give people a challenge or to improve on their skills. A great and engaging site that we recommend would be Code in Game. Code in Game is an online platform that lets programmers improve their coding skills by solving increasingly challenging puzzles. The site also serves as a recruiting platform, which developers are able to get noticed by companies based on their performance by participating in contests. Code in Game supports 25 programming languages such as Java, Python, Swift, Ruby, C++, and JavaScript. Hopefully this list will help guide you to your programming goals. If you have any questions, feel free to come by any of the 3 Moreno Valley Public Library branches, and we'll be glad to help. We hope to see you soon, and happy coding!